Alrighty. We have intermediate low below. Inverse this gap. We have a range. What? Rainbow color range, bro? Holy shit. Range. You have 4-hour gap near equilibrium. Do you have a daily? Not yet. We have these 4-hour gaps near equilibrium. This high. This 4-hour. Right. We held this gap. Probably created a 30-minute. So we just here. We would like to see either this 30-minute hold or disrespect, respect, blah, 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 blah. Targeting these 4-hour gaps near equilibrium. Or if we disrespect this, targeting the range low. Mirror ticks, bro. What a great goat. Wow, made it with time to spare, bro. Let's fucking go. Yeah. So what's up with you, man? What up with you, man? 5 more flipping minutes in the NASDAQ. 1 minute in the NASDAQ feels like 1,000 years on Earth, man. Real shit. The DAC. Take it on range high. I'm gonna need the DAC. I'm gonna need the DAC to hit one of these real quick. I'm gonna need the DAC to hit one of those real quick. I requested to speak. Fuck it. What you gotta say? That's good, bro. Yes. Let me see. At 1 o'clock. Why do you have 2 teacups? No, on baby jet. On baby jet. Wallah, you can't be taking them longs. Nah, don't say that, bro. Man, fuck that 10-hour gap, boy. Valid. Fortnite method to fix the psychology, bro. It's real, bro. Fortnite method is real, bro. Yo. This Fortnite gets the anger out for real. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why, but like, you always gotta win. You gotta win every day. Nah, fuck that. You talking about that boy trades by side? Bro. I look at want to take this short, bro, but 9:30 would just be on some bullshit, bro. It's a nice short. Where am I getting tagged, bro? I'm definitely not getting tagged on my server, bro. Why am I getting tagged a million times, bro? Fuck, bro. I'm getting tagged one more time, bro. Who's tagging me? Bro, I'll be booting you. Actually, I'm booting you guys right now. I'm booting you guys right now, man. 3, 2, 1. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Peace. How do I? Yeah, there it is. Okay. The deck is about to open up. I can't have these niggas chatting, man. Wallahi. But we're going to see what's happening, man. Let's see what's cracking with the deck. Okay. $9.30 gets put in right here. Now we just need to see respect. Maybe get some little bit of true manipulation wouldn't hurt the system. Wallahi. Low true manipulation at this 30-minute low wouldn't hurt nobody. Let's see. Got some LR at these highs. I don't like how it's just aggressively dumping, though, to be fair. We have SMT at the lows. We just need to see it disrespect this gap. What is this chop work, bro? Can we get, what the hell, boy? Man, boy. Hey, hold on, boy. Hold on, boy. I'm gonna disconnect you. You going back, come back in a minute, boy. Hold on, man. Yo, that nigga, man. Hey, look at that bid. The big Roy, man. Shit. Oh, bro. Oh shit. We kind of missed our entry. Fuck. Hopefully we just get a retest of this. Or we could just wait for the 30-second, bro, honestly. Alright, let's chill there. Oh, our stop loss is fucked. I'm not gonna lie. Our stop loss is overly fucked, bro. Please displace. On the set, bro. Please displace. Yo. Alright. Alright. Okay, a little bit more now. Awesome. Okay. Holy shit. Our stop loss was very fucked, but it is evals, and I don't really be giving a shit. So this 30-second long right here, we kind of fucked up, or the entry was kind of scuffed, right? We would have entered like right here, targeting probably the high for 1-to-1. Let's see if we would have got break even or not. Probably would have break even at that 9:30 high. This entry though was like not the greatest, bro. Look at this LR at these lows. It's just like we are holding the key level and we had like this like little we didn't even have a sweep of true manipulation right at that point. But hey, wallahi, I just fucked with just this overall setup, right? We had a 30-second IFEG Judas, right? We already hit this, right? We had SMT at the lows. It's basically all we need, right, to carry us higher. Like if we really just want to dive down lower here and then resweep this low, do all that bull jazz, bro, that's a whole bunch of bullshit that's unnecessary, bro. If we wanted to displace higher, we would have, you know what I mean? So I mean, we do have some true manipulation here. This might hold, so you might be able to hold it to the high, but it's still just like it's overall, yeah, you know what I mean? Like if this does get resweep, like it's pretty much GG's for this 30-minute gap. I would expect this gap to hold though, because we did revisit this, so you might be able to get a re-entry. Let's see if it's holding 50% of this leg too. Like you should be able to hold this, to be honest with you, bro. Like if it wants to resweep this, it's just gonna delete this gap and then go lower. But hey, W win today. You know what I mean? Quick little win today. I fuck with it heavy. What can I say? What can I say except you're welcome? Hey, let me invite that boy Roy back on the stage, man. Let's see that boy talking about. I'm gonna delete this recording. I mean, not delete, but